How to send money on Cash App without identity verification. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can send money on Cash App without identity verification. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. So in order to send money on Cash App without identity verification, there is no such way. Unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can send money on Cash App without verifying your identity. Because Cash App requires identity verification to comply with KYC, which is Know Your Customer Service, and AML, anti-money laundering regulations, and to protect against fraud and money laundering, which is very important for someone. So instead of that, in order to verify your identity, you can use your government issued ID such as passport or your driver's license. You can also use different kinds of other identifications such as your voter ID or your military ID. And one advantage is the Cash App also accepts your foreign passports. So you can verify your identity very easily and verify your KYC on Cash App. After that, you can send money on Cash App without any hesitations and without any rules and regulations. So you may just go on with the process of verifying your KYC on your Cash App. After that, you should be able to send money on Cash App very easily. So therefore, just follow that method. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.